I wanted to show you guys how I use my multiplication data chart for student record keeping and for student growth. First, I use this Ascend website. I type in the name, we choose multiplication, choose a range. I go 0 to 10, but you could always change that to a smaller set. Then I choose the time limit of 2 minutes, and in that 2 minutes, they're not trying to answer all 121 questions. So it starts like this. It gives them the problems. They can click the buttons on the screen if it's a touch screen, or they can type in, and it gives them 2 minutes. Now, once again, we're not looking for all 121 to be done. That's just not where we're at. So once they click OK, time's up, it's going to give them a score. It'll also show them the problems they got right and the ones they got wrong. So I just got 72. I'll go back to my multiplication chart. I type in the date, then I type in my score. It auto populates into the chart automatically so I can track my growth.